Hi everyone. After a lot of deliberation and thought, I decided to make this video for you guys. It is about my recent 2-3 months that have just gone and why I wasn't really able to post any more videos. Well, as much as I would have loved to do it, as you can see, I have been not doing well in the recent few months. Nothing major. However, this is more to do with my personal issues, my mental strength, where I am at and everything. And I have to tell you, it has been quite stressful, quite strenuous, at times depressing. But there was this fear in my mind once upon a time that I will never be a depressed person, and as much as I would have liked that to happen, it is the truth. I mean, everybody, each of us, at some point, we are not feeling so good, we are not in a really a good place. And no matter the extent, it could be a major issue, it could be a small issue, but it still kind of deprives you of that happiness, that daily thing, the daily satisfaction, why you're sleeping, why you're waking up, your reason to get up, your ikigai. Yes, that's a book I have been reading. It has really helped me, but it made me realize that it is very important to focus on your personal self confidence, your personal health, your mental health. It is so important, and often as humans we kind of just forget about the little things that matter. Today I decided to bring all of that together and tell you that it is okay. I mean, the best of us go through things like this, and you just have to give it time, firstly. Secondly, you have to tell yourself that it's okay, you got it. If it doesn't help you to talk to yourself, you may feel stupid. You can just look in a mirror and speak, and that may sound sillier. However, trust you me, it actually helps. And not only mental, for example, for me, not only was it mental stress of the pandemic and my career, what is going to happen. Not only was it that, as you can see, I have put on so much of weight. I mean, there was a point I was 48 kgs, and now I am so I feel so embarrassed to say this. I am 67 kgs right now. That is a vast difference, and the majority of the reason why this happened to me was because of stress eating. I mean, there's so much of insecurity, so much of inconsistencies that are happening outside right now that it does get to you. More than that, I am a person who is okay living 365 days in my house. Okay, I really don't mind it. Many people may think it's weird, you don't go out, you don't socialize, but because of the easy access to internet, it has become so easy for me to kind of be okay with the fact that I may not be able to see my friends physically at all times. We have a video call facility. I can give them a call, I can message them, I can WhatsApp them. So I never feel the need to kind of step out, and it has not been an easy journey, because you just look at yourself, you don't want to see yourself like this, you want to be a better person, but then procrastination sets in like a evil twin of yours, and you're okay, we'll do it, and that day never comes. More than that, you're stressed, there's so much to think, yet you can't do things, and then the outside world terms you lazy. But that's not the case here. So that is why that is why I wanted to tell you guys about all of this that I'm going through, in the hopes that if any of you are going through the same thing out there, you can relate to me and maybe do a few things that I am planning to do. Again, the procrastination spirit in me is at an all-time high right now. So for me to really get this going is another reason why I came to YouTube, because here I'll be motivated. I will be, there's a reason why I'm waking up every day, even if it is cleaning the house. And as you can see, my room is in a very bad mess right now, which I'm going to do starting today. So on that note, I really wanted to ensure that, you know, you don't feel alone if you're going through the same thing. And to make sure that you don't go through it in the future, I am actually, for myself, I'm doing this, and you are welcome to follow whatever I'm doing. Starting today, starting this point, my dark circles and the flabbiness that I have at the moment, I don't even want to stand up right now because you can see my flabs, which is embarrassing. Anyway, you will see it in the videos. So all of that I am accepting. I am officially accepting that it may have been my mistake in the past to ignore my body, which is my temple. I'm going to treat it like my temple. I just ignored it. I let it go. I let it go. I let it go to the point where I am now almost 15-16 kgs overweight than what I want to ideally be. So having you as my witness, I am going to gladly take this stand and tell myself that no mas means no more. I'm going to like step up, take the reins back in my hands. Whatever happens in the future, that is in the sense of my career, you know, family, all of that. Whatever happens, happens, right? But it is today that matters. So I'm going to put my foot down now and tell my procrastination spirit and my lazy spirit to go take a hike, because they have been enjoying all this while, and now it's like time to get to work. And by work, I mean doing daily chores regularly. I am actually the non-earning member at the moment, which I am hopeful to change in the near future. Since that is something that I have to go through, it is my responsibility in my mind to keep the house clean and to ensure that timely meals are served to my husband, and you know, that when he gets back, it's a good place to be. Apart from this, I also want to do my own personal thing, which is like try to do vlogs like this, do a little bit of studies throughout this, where I am actually doing a course. I will tell you about the course in the future sometime when I am like done, my certificate is in my hand and everything. At the moment, I don't want to really focus much on that. I want to get that done. So maybe a little bit of my studies in the vlog, a little bit of my cleaning in the vlog, and maybe, you know, once in a while when I have time, because if I keep everything up to date, right, I will have time eventually to you know, do things that I like artwork and practicing my aiming skills, and maybe creating some craft work from clay, or I don't know, or maybe even like step out to eat my favorite food, and I can show you that. The options and the choices and the ideas are innumerous. But first, at this point, starting this point, what I'm going to do now is take you guys to the whole view of the room. By the way, I have made a little change in my room decor. Please don't see this I have to cover now, but the room decor is here. I have made changes. Ideally, my cupboard was here before. Now I have taken the computer which was there and I've put it here, and there's a nice lampshade, so I get my corner to like edit and everything. So that is how my room is at the moment. But now when I take you to the room view, you'll be able to see how bad my room is, and this has been piling up for so long, and it's nobody's fault except mine. Having said that, I cannot keep self-pitying myself, because come on, we are like in the 21st century, we got to take action and all that, huh? Whatever the philosophy that follows. Small joke that I tried to create. Anyway, I feel so much better already, like venting out to you guys about all of this. And I have been really skeptical about coming on camera without makeup, but I told myself, you know, if they have to see me, they have to see me at my worst, right? Because it can only get better from here. So this is my worst, hopefully with more sleep, which I am also not getting recently. I sleep really late and I wake up really late, so I decided might as well make use of the time and do productive work so that I can get sleep on time. So hopefully with that and a few remedies, my dark circles will go. In regards to my double chin, which I have, if you can see this, in regards to this, I'm going to try also with my exercise routines to try and practice some facial exercises to kind of, I want that, you know, not exactly so deep, but that slight thing, and I wanna clean double chin. It's already there. You can see the difference here, this difference. Yeah, so it's already there and I need to get rid of it. So all of this, hopefully in a few months time, I should be there and you guys should be there to support me, right? Having said that, let's begin with the view of the room.